fancy bus again. We don't get used to it.
Myanmar is the king of the bus. King of the bus.
Best buses in Asia. We really recommend JJ. Best bus company in Myanmar. Are we on a plane or on a bus?
It's a bit more expensive than the other ones, but it's worth it.
The difference not much, maybe $2.
Yeah, so it's worth to travel with JJ.
JJ! Give you a nice towel.
Oh, that's a blanket. You're gonna think you have a shower in the castle.
I meant this is a blanket. Look at this, complimentary drinks. Thank you very much. Tezukte mare. Good morning, good morning! Good morning! That clip that you just saw, it was from a bus journey from Bagan to Nyangshu. This is where we are at the moment. It's close to Inle Lake and we're just about to do a boat tour. And these are the little boats. Well, not little, I mean massive boats that we're going on. Long tail boats, yes man. See you. Bye bye. Fishermen have mastered a very difficult and unusual technique. They roll with one of their legs and they've got the other hand free to fish. This is very unique from Myanmar. Merhaba. We just visit the Cayenne ladies, also known as the long neck ladies. They start putting those metal rings around their necks at the age of 9 and they stop at the age of 19, and they can have a maximum of 25 rings. The metal rings around their necks pushes their collarbones down rather than elongating their necks. They never take it off, not even to sleep, so they're constantly years until they die. with those rings around their necks?
They use the rings for beauty purpose, so it's not they doing the sacrifice, it's part of the tribe.
We heard them, they said that when they put at the age of 9 one of those new rings, it's quite painful just for the first week.
Yeah, it's quite painful for the first week, and then they get used to it, and then when they change for the bigger collar, it's painful again for another week or so, and then they get used to it again, and so on and so on.
Yeah. Okay, I think now we are heading back to the boat, and these ladies look doing some, is that paper?
Yes.
Paper sheets. Oh, nice, like the old times, Egyptian style. What is it made out of? Is it made out of roots?
The tree?
Yeah, the tree. Ah, so the paper is made out, oh nearly fell, out of this tree skin. How do you say beautiful in Burmese?
Blade.
Blade. Klade. So friendly, so nice. Love being in Myanmar. All of us four really enjoy this trip so far. Heading back to the boats. Look at Katerina's flip-flop. Good that we are on the market.
Market, Buddha.
Buddha, yeah.
Yes, you can see long time over here.
Okay. See you in a bit. Let's explore this market, guys. Oh, look at this tiny lady. Mangalaba. Mangalaba. Nice to meet you. This is the lotus plant. Oh, nice. It's pretty simple.
Oh, you didn't take a long time. You can see the funniest stand of video. Also, we make it scalpel lady, or you know scalp. The fiber is spider.
Oh, it's strong.
Yeah.
It's strong. It feels like it's glue.
Yes.
So this is the lotus string. It's made out of the lotus plant. Yeah, strong. Out of this lotus string they make clothes, scarves. They just add a bit of color. Very interesting. Natural.
Yeah.
This is the weaving machine. Looks like we're back in the 1930s.
Yes. Incredible.
How long does it take to make a scarf?
The longi, and then she make it for one longi is 2 days.
A longi 2 days.
Yeah.
So a longi, it's a long skirt and it's a traditional Burmese costume.
And men and women.
Women can use it and they use it all the time.
Came down for lunch by the lake, and as per usual, noodles, rice, noodles, all the way, every single day. Not every single day.
Most days.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let's enjoy lunch now. See you guys later. Later.
Just finished lunch. We had lunch over there, and now we're about to see these local people making some cigarettes.
And cigar making.
Cigar making. Smoky, smoky, smoky.
Yeah, you take a sip and it's great. This is we call sugar leaf. This leaves come from is in the mountain. This is dry leaf. Dry leaf is cigar making easy to break. She making water 2 or 3 minutes, and then soft leaf, and then she can make it easy.
You buy this these leaves from the locals in the mountain.
Local, in the mountain.
In the mountain.
This is the last very cold weather. They from just this mountain.
Got some tobacco here.
Also tobacco with banana fruits, they dry, and then cress, and then mixed tobacco. Also tobacco with cinnamon. Do you know cinnamon?
Yeah.
Also tobacco with clove flavor. Do you know clove?
Yeah.
It's a tobacco with vanilla.
So this is from the corn,
Yeah.
and this is made. This is to make the filters of the cigarettes. So this lady's gonna show us how she makes cigarettes. Yep.
First tobacco.
Tobacco.
Here is filter.
Yeah.
And then ruin. And then outside the leaf.
Mhm.
And then again ruin.
Roll it up. There you are.
And then cigarette. And tie it cross. And then mash it up.
That's it.
Finish.
Yeah.
Wow.
Is this glue? Glue.
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Ah.
This is just natural product.
Yeah. There you go. We just finished our boat tour. It took around 7 hours. You guys enjoyed?
Yeah.
Of course, it was amazing.
Different. Lots of different people. Lots of different tribes. Markets. Pagodas.
We had it all.
Yeah. It was amazing. Amazing experience. If you come here, make sure to do a boat tour. It's
Inle Lake.
10 out of 10.
So we're going back to the hotel. Finish the video over here. Thanks for watching, and we'll
Don't
see you.
forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
Goodbye.